Hi guys, I hope you're doing great today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nori, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing and creating a makeup tutorial using the Nikkietutorials X Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette that's sitting right here in this beautiful colorful box. I just got this in the mail and I could not wait to unbox it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nori. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this beautiful palette. So first off, I noticed the box right away. The side, it says the logo Nikkietutorials X Beauty Bay. I just thought it was cute. A lot of makeup just comes in plain boxes, and that's fine too, but I just thought it was a cool touch. And here, like it says, her greeting, how she always greets her videos. Really cool. It was also packaged really well. Let me just get rid of all that stuff. I did get a pop socket, which I'm so excited about. I got the pink one right here. I love it. I am super excited. I actually needed a new pop socket on my phone, so I love that. And then here's the palette in its beautiful box. This box is it has sparkles on it. I guess that's what it is, like glitter. Really, really pretty box. And there's also a message from Nikkie in the back. Then it's bubble wrapped, which I really appreciate too. And then this little card with a message from Nikkie, and the back, I think she showed this in her video, but in the back is just the name of every shadow and kind of shows you how you should apply it. Well, that you can do whatever you want with makeup, obviously, but I think that's a really cool touch. Gives you an idea, like some of the shimmers you can just use your finger or a brush. And anyway, here she is. Wow. Honestly, this is the most beautiful packaging I've seen in a while. I love this. This really speaks to me and my style. The back, there's another message from her. I'm not sure if it's the same message. The back, there's a message from Nikkie. So it represents like the dark side and the bubbly fun side. Oh my God, I love it. And then it feels very sturdy. Doesn't feel cheap at all. And let me just open it and show you guys how it looks. Take off the plastic. Oh, ta-da. Guys, look at that. Look at that. To me, well, this just speaks to my soul. Honestly, I absolutely love it. And it has the two mirrors, one on each side. Just amazingly beautiful. Wow, I really, really love it. I am more impressed with it in person than I was like looking at it. Pictures never do justice. It's really beautiful. So the packaging, to me, the packaging is beautiful. You have the two sides, the two mirrors, which are pretty cool. And then you close it like this, and it's pretty sturdy. Okay guys, so I created part of this eye off camera just to get an idea of what I wanted to create. I definitely wanted to create some kind of fall makeup because fall is right around the corner. So I was playing with the pinks and purples a little bit, and this is what I came up with so far. I am gonna obviously add a little more, clean it up a little bit, but I'm gonna show you what I did so far to achieve this right here. First, I prime my lids with my eyeshadow primer. It's from e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer in the shade White. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with the shade Zomer right here, which is almost like a salmony pink. It doesn't look pink in the pan to me, but it seems more pinkish when you put it on your lids. And I'm using this crease brush from Morphe. And I am just going to define my lid, apply it all over my lid. It is super pigmented. I'm trying to find the perfect angle so you can see what I'm doing. Do you see? Can you tell how much? It's super, super pigmented. Definitely showing up more peachy than it looks in the pan. Well, more pinkish, I guess I should say. It does look a little peachy. I would call it like a salmony pink, like salmon. So just applying that all over my crease. And I'm also going to try to create that outer little upper wing. So far it's applying great. The colors blend out great, and they're very pigmented, like very pigmented, which I truly appreciate. Pigment, but also blendability. I really like that in shadows. Okay, next I did take a blending brush. If you see some color in these brushes, because I created this, because I used them for this eye obviously, and I went straight for that hot pink called Blend and Snap right here. So I went ahead and applied some pigment onto my blending brush and applied it halfway on my crease and then upwards, blending it out upwards like that. Apply and then blend out. I just want it to be a little bit more pink, but I don't want to lose the salmon-y shade. But I'm also making sure to blend out so the edges of it look pretty pink and almost like purple. Yes, like hot pink. Just blending it out. It's a super pretty pink. Very pigmented as well, so a little bit goes a long way. I'm making sure to keep that little shape right there. Just blending it out upwards a little bit high, well, kind of a lot, a bit higher than my crease to make sure that when I close my eyes, you can see what's on them, because I do have hooded eyes. So next I went right into the shimmers. And the first shimmer that I applied is this beautiful shimmer here. It's called Aura. And that's almost like a reddish pink, but it's kind of on the reddish side, which I just thought was so cool. These shimmers are so, how do I explain it? They apply beautifully with the finger. I did try with a brush and it wasn't as great. I mean, it was okay. You can definitely do it, but it's definitely worth it to go ahead and use your finger. Super pigmented. They feel almost wet. It's honestly, the application with the finger is beautiful. I'm just applying this all over my lid. Then after that, I went ahead and applied a little bit of Roxy Catan, which is this other very baby pink shimmer right here, Roxy Catan. And I just applied that with my finger again in the inner part of the lid. Super pretty. Just beautiful shimmer. So far, wow, amazing. Next, I went in again with the Zomer shade, that salmon pink again, with my crease brush, and I just went over it again to make it more defined and to make sure that my shimmers pop. My lid is there, you know, that it's more noticeable, that I don't lose my definition. Perfect. Next, I'm going in with another crease brush and using the shade, I'm using the shade Slasher, which is that very deep purple right here. And that's gonna go on the outer corner, but what I'm gonna really do is use the crease brush because I wanna create kind of a line. You can even use a liner brush if you have like the tiny one, but this one is pretty, but this one I'm used to using it to create this kind of line, so I'm okay with this one. So I'm gonna just make kind of like a V shape or like a wing. I'm gonna attach this purple line, bring it all the way up to that pink color, and then make that little V. Like that, kind of. And now we're gonna add some pigment to all of that. So I'm still using the crease brush, and I'm gonna use, again, the purple shade and put that in the outer corner. Wow, you guys see how pigmented that is? I'm gonna put that in the outer corner, mix that into the crease a little bit, but I'm doing it very slowly because I get carried away, and this is a very pigmented shadow. So I'm just being careful. Then once I have that in my outer corner, I'm gonna go ahead and add some pigment upwards. I'm packing some on, but very carefully, and blending it out at the same time. Now I'm going in with that pink shade again, blend and snap, and the other crease brush, and just kind of blending that together with that outer corner on top so I don't lose my pink on this side. Wow, that is so pink. I actually love that. And purple. Now I'm just gonna go in with that shade Basic Trut, which is just like a beige shade right here. This one, Basic Trut. And I'm gonna use a blending brush. This is a Morphe M330 brush. And very gently and carefully blend out the edges up here. Just very gently and carefully. Okay guys, so that's what I'm doing for the top right now. Okay, under my waterline, I'm gonna apply Slasher again, and I'm just using this very small brush right here. This turned into a purple look very fast. And I'm fine with that, I love purple. But I feel like this purple is totally perfect for fall. And I'm totally here for it. I think these colors, again, blend out beautifully. Next, I really want to try to do just a neutral look with these shimmers. Oh my gosh. These shimmers in here are just amazing, just beautiful. Next, I'm gonna apply this icy white shade called Ivy to my inner corner. Just using a small lid brush, also from Morphe. Well, actually, I'm gonna use my pinky finger because this is also the same texture as, well, I don't know, I guess all the shimmers in here are. Feels like you need your finger. But maybe I picked up too much, let's see. I applied some with my finger, but my tiny pinky finger, and I just need something smaller, so I'm gonna go ahead and still try out that tiny lid brush and try to pick up something on the brush and blend it out. And I think that'll work. At least the pigment is already there. I just have to blend it to the spot that I really want it to be at. That's really pretty. Okay guys, I think this is it for eyeshadow for now. I'm gonna go apply some eyeliner, mascara, lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the final look. I went ahead and did the rest of my face. I applied my lip, and honestly, this eyeshadow palette is amazing. I love it. I went more for a purple look, something for fall. I'm really excited for the fall season, so that's what I was inspired by. Next, I cannot wait to play with the neutrals in here and even the blue and greenish shades. I am super excited to try them out. But yeah, this is the final look. I really like how it turned out. The shadows performed beautifully. They're very blendable, pigmented, and I didn't experience any fallout at all. But anyway, I totally recommend this palette. I know it's either restocking soon or there's some kind of list that you can get on to get it when it is restocked. So I totally recommend it. It's so beautiful and it performs great. But anyway, I think we've made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this part, I really appreciate it. Please go ahead and subscribe before you go. It will mean a lot to me. Also follow me on Instagram at Nori Loves Beauty. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it so I know to make more like this. So again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.